Hi guys, Keely here. So today's video is going to be a sort of like spring cleaning type video. I know it's not spring, but I always start my spring cleaning in the winter because that's how my grandma always does it, so I kind of like learned it from her. But my closet is in desperate need of some cleaning out, so I thought I would do a little like decluttering, cleaning out my closet type video. I don't know, it's something I've never done before, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I'm standing in front of my clothing rack because I am going to start over here, because most people have clothing racks and it's like, you know, there's maybe like 10 pieces on it and it's just like their favorite things or whatever, but clearly I have more than that. I use my clothing rack as kind of like a closet extension because I don't have very much space in my closet. Even though you can like walk into it, there's not very much rack space, so I store a lot of stuff out here. So I'm gonna start by cleaning out all the stuff on this rack. And everything on this rack is either stuff that I wear a lot or stuff that I want to wear more, or like new pieces I'll put on here sometimes. So that's what all of this stuff is. So maybe some of the stuff that I don't wear as much that I want to wear more, maybe it might be going, I don't know. Okay, so I was able to take like a good chunk off of my clothing rack. I'm not getting rid of all of these things because what I wanted to do is replace the t-shirts that were on here for my t-shirts that I wear to sleep, because I feel like I have t-shirts that I wear like during the day, and then I have t-shirts that I wear to bed, and I kind of wanted to make that like one category and have t-shirts that I can wear both during the day and to bed, so I just don't like have as much stuff. So I have a few t-shirts that I'll be keeping, but yeah, pretty good chunk off my clothing rack. And a lot of my clothes are thrifted, like the majority of my closet is thrifted, so that's why I'm able to like clean out so much stuff. I do this pretty frequently, like at least every season I'll kind of like rotate stuff. But because I'm not spending like hundreds and hundreds of dollars on clothes, I'm able to like get rid of stuff easier and like replace it if I need to. So yeah, got all that stuff out of here. Okay, so now we have moved over to my closet. Like I said, it is a closet that you walk into, but there's not very much rack space. It's probably only about the same like length as my clothing rack is of what's in here, and then like a small extension of that I put like skirts on. And I definitely need to get rid of some of this stuff because it's just really all packed in here. And I also need to go through my shoes because I have some pairs of shoes that I don't really wear anymore. These shoes are literally disgusting. I don't even like want to touch them because these are the shoes that I wore to work. I don't work where I did anymore, so these are not needed, and I really don't even know what to do with them because I hate throwing like clothing away, so I don't want it to just end up in a landfill, but I don't think if I donate these anyone's gonna want them, so might be going in the trash. I'm also not sure what I'm gonna do with these white Converse. They're the same as the other and extremely dirty ones, believe it or not, but these I got at the thrift store for a few dollars. I might keep them in my wardrobe just in case I ever want to wear them, like if I want to have a shoe that I don't care about as much. I don't really know, but I don't wear them, so maybe they'll stay for a little bit longer, but they might be out of my closet soon. I also do want to get rid of these shoes because I don't like them that much. Like I like them and I wear them, but I want to replace them with a pair that's similar because these ones are really cheap. They're from Boohoo, and I don't like the way that the top is like so flimsy. Like it's a sock boot, but it's like very flimsy. But I don't have any other heeled boots in my closet, so I think I'm gonna have to keep these for the time being because there is occasions when I need a pair of heeled boots. So these will be staying, I think. So far I've taken 7 pairs of shoes out of my wardrobe, which I think is really, really good. A lot of them I've had for a really long time and I don't need them anymore. So that's really good that I'm clearing out all this space. And now I think I can move on and tackle my closet, the racks of clothes. The lighting in here is really harsh because it's fluorescent, but yeah, you can see how like packed onto this rack everything is, so I really need to go through and clean this stuff out. So let's get started with that. Okay, so I've pulled a lot of stuff out from this top rack here, and now I'm gonna go through the stuff on the bottom rack. There's not very much stuff down here, it's just some pants and skirts, but I do think there's a few things in there that I could get rid of, so let's do that. Yes, there is a lot of stuff on my closet floor. I need to clean it. That is gonna be more of my spring cleaning. Let me know if you guys want to see any more spring cleaning videos, because that might be a fun thing, but I don't know if that might be too boring for some of you guys, but let me know, because I definitely need to like clean the rest of my closet, so leave a comment down below. But yeah, I'm gonna clean out this stuff down here. Okay, so now I'm also going to go through my bathing suits because even though it's really cold here, spring and summer is coming and I have a lot of bathing suits. So I want to sort through those. I got a lot of the stuff sent to me from Zaful as well as another company. I posted like a Zaful bikini video and realistically I just don't wear all of them. So I'm going to go through these and see what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. A lot of these I really like haven't even worn that much because I don't live near a beach or anything, so I don't like go swimming all the time. Like obviously I go to the pool and stuff in the summer, but not like swimming all the time, so I just realistically don't need this many bathing suits. Okay, so that is done now. These are the bathing suits that I am for sure keeping. How many is there here? 4 complete sets and 1 top. And then these ones I am getting rid of. They're just ones that I either have never worn or I have worn and I know I won't wear again. So those I can get rid of. I don't know what I'm going to do with those, like whether I'm going to sell them or donate them. Some of them are like brand new, like still has the little like protective lining in them, so I might sell that one because it's like brand new. And then I do have this pile over here, which is stuff that I'm gonna try on and see how I like it because it's stuff I'm kind of unsure about. Like the ones I'm for sure keeping are my favorites, and then these ones, you know, I'm not too sure about, so I'm gonna try those on and see. Not on camera, but yeah, that is all of my sorted out bathing suits. Okay, Okay, so I sorted through my t-shirts, like my pajama shirts, off camera, and I was able to clear out these PJ shirts in order to make room for the other t-shirts that I have that I want to put in that drawer so they're not taking up space in my closet. So these I was also able to get rid of. And also, if you're wondering, this like huge thing behind me is my prom dress. That's why it's like hanging in this bag. But anyways, I think this was a really successful like closet clean out. Lana, what are you doing? Okay, she's trying to knock over my tea. Anyways, yeah, this was really successful. This big ol' pile of stuff, I can't even pick it all up. Oh my goodness. All of that stuff is stuff that I can get rid of, plus the shoes and the bathing suits. Lana, stop it. And some of this stuff is the t-shirts that I'm going to put in the drawer that I just need to take off the hanger, but I'm going to sort it into things that I'm going to donate and things that I'm going to sell, and then stuff I'm going to throw away. I don't want to throw away a lot of stuff. I think it's probably just going to be like the 2 pairs of shoes, but yeah, I'm going to sort out all of this stuff. Don't know how this got over here because these are my PJ pants. Look at all of these hangers that I just took clothes off. This is somewhat ridiculous, but I'm glad that I could get rid of this stuff because it makes me feel good to get rid of stuff. I really wish I could live like a minimalistic lifestyle because like I admire that so much, but I just can't bring myself to do it. I can get rid of this stuff, but I can't get rid of the rest of it. Like I love it too much, but this is a good start at least. So what it has come down to is these t-shirts are the ones that are staying in my wardrobe. I'm just migrating them to my drawers. This stuff I am donating, and then I have a huge pile, oh my goodness, over here of stuff that I'm going to be selling, listed on my Depop, of course. Link is always in the description. And also the bathing suits I think I'll be donating, as well as a couple pairs of shoes, and then I'm going to throw away the really worn out dirty shoes, even though I hate doing that, but I kind of have to. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it was something a little bit different, and like I said before, if you want to see other like spring cleaning related videos, let me know in the comments, because I've like watched other ones and I think they're really like somewhat therapeutic and like motivate me to clean. So let me know if you'd like to see that, because I do have quite a few things that I'll need to be cleaning for spring cleaning. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!